Manantial de Salud, Dove Springs.
My name is Ofelia Zapata, and I live in Dove Springs. I am a community leader with Austin Interfaith, and what that means is I do a lot of community organizing around issues that affect families. And for Dove Springs, we've been focusing a lot on healthcare access and affordability because I am a diabetic and I have encountered um, issues with access myself to get medications and access to really understand what diabetes is. It's been about 10 years now that I've had diabetes, and it's taken me a long time to really understand the seriousness of that diabetes, and it had to do with a lot is not having access to a clinic. That was an issue for a lot of us in Dove Springs. Access to a clinic was huge. Many people are very sick with heart conditions, diabetes, mental health. Well, I decided to seek how I could get help because uh, I was sleeping all the time. I had no energy. I couldn't get out of bed. I was just sick, very weak, and I just didn't understand why I had no energy. And it wasn't until I saw the doctor and I learned that I had diabetes, but that still uh, didn't tell me much other than I got to take medication. So then I began to look for a medical home that would help me understand my sickness. So not only did I know that I have diabetes, but there's a nutritionist that I meet with to explain how important it is uh, of the foods that I eat, the foods that I cook for my family, my grandchildren. It's important for me to understand why I'm taking the medication and what does the medication do for me. Why it's important to stay on schedule, which is still very hard. Uh, so it's also uh, didn't realize that diabetes also is triggered by stress. So a lot of the issues I deal with on a daily basis, just home life and life, um, I didn't realize also affect my diabetes. So having a counselor on staff that also helps me with thinking on how to deal with situations, um, and also the physical part, the importance of exercise. So instead of calling special transit to take me to the school and back, I walk with my granddaughter. So all of that I didn't realize that could help me stable my diabetes and to reduce the seriousness that it can affect my body. So I guess the point I want to make across is that it is so important that you find a medical home. So first, find a medical home for you and your family. Ask questions so you can understand what it is the doctor is saying that you need to do. The condition, the whatever it is, symptoms you're having. Ask questions. Build that relationship of trust with your doctor. Uh, and do all that he says. Take the medication, do the exercise, do whatever it is that's going to help you get better.
Manantial de Salud, Dove Springs.